What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna fix this. Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna change the valve cover gasket, especially because the grommets over here are leaking bad. So it should be 11 volts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 right there. So obviously you're gonna need a new gasket, and this one is the one I went. I use made in Spain, trying to don't go with Chinese stuff. No offense to anyone, but I'm gonna try this one. It has the grommet. Also, it has the small guys, which is I want to move now. There you go. Have like these guys over here, so I can replace mine because the EV Alive. Let's keep going. So I just removed my spark plug wires, and you guys can see how they are covered with oil. And if we go in here, you guys can see how basically how wet is on all of them. It is a huge mess. So this is the main reason why I'm doing this. So let's continue. The valve cover is out, and as you guys can see, I still have just to clean up all this edge over here, make sure it's no silicone or nothing, to prep it for the right, for the new gasket, I mean. Meanwhile, I have the valve cover over here. I'm just going to try to clean it up as much. I'm gonna sand it again and do maybe one coat of the same color. Make sure it looks nice and neat, since it got like scratches all over. So let's clean it up and paint it. So I have the head clean already. I went with a blade and clean up all the edges, so now it should be silicone free. Right now I'm here removing the grommets from the head, and it's giving me a hard time. So here's the first one out, and I still have the other 3 to come out. So just what I'm doing, because this one has silicone, because I tried to fix them already and it didn't work. So I'm just hitting them with a screwdriver, just like that, and with a hammer. So as soon as I get just to the edge, kind of like this, I'm just trying to pull them out just like that until they come out. Now after this, I have just to basically clean all this perfectly, make sure it's no gasket at all, to install the new one. And here we have Manny actually doing the same job I'm doing in the Eclipse, soon to be boosted. Just doing some cleanup over here. So yeah, making some progress. So Manny right now is outside. He's actually water washing the valve covers. Let's take a look. bulb cover is done. Actually, it's sand. I sand it down smoothly to recoat it. Also, I remove as much as possible all the silicone that I had. Over here in the back, I also remove all the silicone as well. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna put the grommets right now, and then gonna just recoat all the bare surfaces with primer again. So here we have the results, quick results on mounting Eclipse. Purple candy buff cover. It doesn't even make the adjustments for you guys. It's still drying, but there you guys have it. Still drying, but
Pretty dry.
that purple. Take care, brother.
See you.
So here we have the buff cover. It's ready to be sprayed. Just gonna reuse the same spray can that I used the first time, and it's a duplicate color. It should be just there you guys see it, the red DE1653. So just gonna do a light coat on it and keep it going. So I did the first coat, just try to get it nice and neat. Just giving me a hard time because the spray can is halfway empty and it's spraying air sometimes. So you're gonna try to do one more coat and put it on. Meanwhile, I'm just going to check the spark plugs and also change the spark plug wires as well. So it's been about half an hour since I did the second coat. And it's looking very nice. I do like the way it came out. Actually, the sanding that I did on it came out very nice. Now it's time for the second color. So after 3 coats, there you guys have it. Frog tape did a really good job with the lines. I don't have nothing that went up. I threw a little bit and it has a little bit of orange peel, but that's the way it's gonna stay. Besides that, I have a couple marks just because of the paint. I mean, it's not a big deal. Maybe I just can't touch it up again. But overall, I'm very happy. Now I'll have just to sand the letters, but I'm gonna do that another day. So right now I just took out the spark plugs, cleaned them because they were flooded with oil. So now I have all my spark plug tubes all clean, and I'm just getting ready to install the valve cover. So let's keep moving. So I have the valve cover in the car, just place it for now. I'm ready just to put the new gasket, and actually I put in already the grommets behind it. So let me just put this on and get it done. Alright, so I have the valve cover on. I have all the bolts hand tied right now. I was searching online and I was able to find the bolt pattern thingy for the bolts. You guys cannot see it. So there it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie them. Forum says it should be between 17 to 34 pounds of torque. So I'm just gonna actually torque them now and make sure everything doesn't have any leaks. And also I have a new, not new, but just a better set of spark plug wires, and I'm gonna put those on and see how the cars behave. Should be a lot better than before anyway, and no leaks hopefully. So I got all the bolts in and I have my torque wrench over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna torque them to 25. I did change my mind and I left them on 15 pounds of torque. Now I'm just gonna get another spare set of spark plug wires that I had for the other central copper that I got the parts a couple of months ago. So I still haven't taken out the old ones from here because I don't want to get confused. But I'm just gonna put this one on right now, and I'm gonna connect the old cash cam, the PCB line, warm up with the car and see how everything goes. Alright, so the car is back together. Have the new or better spark plug wires. Everything everything looks the way it should be. So I'm just gonna take the car out for a quick test drive and then inspect to see if I find any leaks. Alright guys, so we made it back. Just about to grab a coffee quick, and the car seems to be working fine. Now let's see how everything looks. This one has a little bit. I don't know if maybe because it's still dirty from the other one. This one has the same. I think I don't know. Just this one looks the same. All right, let me take a look about this one. And they all look the same. I just hope that the grommet haven't. I hope they seal properly though, because it has just a little bit, but again, they were soaked before, so maybe it's a little bit from the old ones, I don't know. But yeah, there you guys have it. The B13 got a new buff cover gasket. Also, we repaint the buff cover now with black in the middle, something different. Haven't seen nobody doing it, so I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.